ITS service today. What we got here, the iPad Pro. Customer tried to change the screen and they didn't disconnect the battery, and look what they did. They burned the filter, and I'm pretty sure this is the touch filter, and that's the backlight. So how we gonna fix it? Let's see how we gonna fix it. So guys, after I cleaned the place, took the burnt one, so what I'm gonna do, actually on the schematics, this one is connect to this and this, so I'm gonna put the filter here and do the jumper, and let's see if it's gonna fix it. Okay, let's do it. So my friend, I hope you guys see it well. What I did, the filter connected, take a jumper, I measured this reading. So now we're gonna test it. And this was the iPad 4th generation, the Pro. Let's see if it's gonna work. Alright guys, we have touch finally. Mission fix. iPad 11 was backlightish. Thanks for watching.